All right. Good morning, everyone. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So I have came here today to learn from y'all. So raise your hand if y'all ready to teach. Raise your hand if y'all ready to teach. All right. I'm ready to learn from y'all. I'm just on my way, running from another meeting, headed from another thing earlier and everything like that. So I'm here to learn how to be calm from y'all, because y'all all are super calm and relaxed and chill. So I'm going to be taking some pointers from y'all. But in the meantime, I want to be sharing some things that help me to kind of relax and calm down with all that's going on in my life and the world. And some of these tools and techniques that I've learned from some of these yoga classes. Anybody ever done yoga before? Okay, awesome. So you gonna be doing a handstand later in the back? Okay, all right. So let's get into one of the first things that has helped me and will help me to calm down after being in that track and everything. So this is a tool that I use on a daily basis, and I hope we all get to use on a daily basis. How many of y'all know how to breathe? Raise your hand if you know how to breathe. All right, I hope so. I hope we still breathing. Being able to breathe is an important practice that we get into, but a lot of times we don't think of it as a practice because we just doing short breaths, we out of breath. When you hit that stair or you got that long one, you feel like, oh, there's that breath. But we're going to get into a deep breath practice that helps you to slow down, relax, calm down, and focus. When I get in that traffic and those cars cut in front of me, I got to take a deep breath. Now, I'm not talking about just a regular one of those breaths when somebody say something to get on your nerves. I'm talking about a real deep intentional breath where you use the whole body. So what I want y'all to do is I want y'all to do me a favor and sit up nice and proper like. So your feet are going to be flat on the ground. If you're short, they can swing, that's okay. You're going to relax your shoulders back and down, and you're going to really feel seated in this chair. So allow your legs, your hips, everything to just be supported by the chair underneath you. And as you start to get this positive position, you start to be aware of your own body and aware of your own breath. Now, you can do this on commercials when you're watching TV. You can do this when you're sitting at the office waiting to be seen. Just to start to be aware of your own body is a powerful tool that a lot of times we don't use. In this body awareness, we're going to go even deeper with some breath awareness. Everybody say breathe. Breathe. All right. Now, I made sure to brush my teeth this morning, so when I breathe out, y'all don't pass out. We are going to get into our breath. What I want you to do is you're going to breathe in through your nose, nice and deep, all the way down to your back, into your belly, to the chest. The diaphragm expands. And then you're going to slowly let that same breath out all the way out, either through your nose or through your mouth, whatever is comfortable for you. When we breathe out through our nose, it's helping to send a signal to our brain that we are relaxed, we are calm. When we breathe it out through our mouth, it helps us to push out those toxins, that dust, that debris, the smog from the air. So not only are we just breathing, but we're cleansing, we're calming, we're relaxing, releasing. So on a count of three, we're going to take the biggest, deepest breath that we have taken all day. I'm talking about a breath that helps to slow your heart rate down and lower your blood pressure. I'm talking about a breath that can help us to calm our mind, any stress, any anxiety. I'm talking about a breath that makes us feel like we just won the lottery. On the count of three, we start with a deep breath in through the nose and exhale. One, go ahead and relax your shoulders again, relax your arms. Two, relax your heart. Your chest feels open. And breathe. Let's take a deep breath in, breathe in through the nose, breathe in, breathe in. And then a long, slow exhale. Slowly exhale and relax. Good. Let's take two more of those. Big breath in, inhale, all the way down to the belly, to the back, to the ribs expand. Exhale, let me go. Last one. Big inhale here, breathe in. and exhale. We're going to do one more, but on this one, we're going to breathe in. We're going to hold it just for a little bit. So let's inhale, breathe in. Hold it. Inhale a little bit more. Then exhale, let it go. Ooh, that was a good one. This time we're going to breathe in. Everybody breathe in. Hold it. And then exhale. Get it all out. Clear the lungs, clear the mind, clear the body. Everybody say, woo! Yes, yes, yes. Waking up and breathing. How y'all feel? Good, good, good.